MeMaw,
Yes.
it's time to show everybody how good you're doing with your exercises. This is what, 3 weeks after your stroke? Oh my goodness, heavy sigh. Mom is like me. She hates exercising. While she's exercising, I will exercise with her. We'll keep the camera on her. And you can tell us about yourself, MeMaw.
This particular exercise is supposed to help my bad knee not be so sore. I've got a knee that's bone on bone. It was supposed to be replaced. I was supposed to be given a fake knee. But the surgeon that was going to do my knee got a hold of the hospital and put me on the list for hip surgery. That's socialized medicine for y'all. So I decided I wasn't going to go with him.
What are you doing now? Why don't you do the garbage?
Yeah, time for you. Lorrie has to clean the cat litter. Lorrie has to clean the cat litter. You want to watch her do that? Lorrie is taking over my duties, which is to clean the cat litter on Wednesday. The final cleaning. Here's the cat litter. It's got stuff in it.
It's got stuff in it.
Go, Lorrie, go.
We have to pull this open. Oh.
Lorrie has a tough time, as you can see.
This is the only way I won't sit here and gag while doing this.
Dave, one of the cats puked. And Lorrie was running through the house. The cat puked. David, she said, she didn't call me. Usually she calls me to clean up cat puke. But this time she called David.
I used to call you to clean up cat puke.
Yeah.
And you used to be able to scoop your own damn litter.
My own.
Usually Dave does it because he knows I suffer. He knows. I have a very sensitive sense of smell. Oh no! I smelled it.
What is the problem?
She couldn't do this.
Oh my God, I don't believe it. You get your mother to do it because you can.
I scooped it.
Oh my God.
I scooped it. I scooped it, honey. But then I couldn't with one hand. I couldn't do that with one hand.
Here you go.
I tried letting go of my nose. And I smelled it and I almost
I don't
farted.
believe it. I do not believe it. God, get out of the way. Jesus.
Reps, that sounds so official. That sounds so sportsmanlike.
It's an exercise word, Mom.
I don't like exercise words.
I know you don't like exercise, but you know what?
That one, please. I can go get it.
Yeah, go get it your own self, lady. The heck am I? Your
servant.
your servant?
You're my ever-loving daughter that calls me a crazy psycho bitch. I told that.
Only in the most loving
I
way.
told that person it's elder abuse.
Who was that, Gail?
Whoever has said that.
That her mama would beat her?
Something like that. No, the one that said, Psycho. Lorrie.
Oh, Robert.
Yeah. I told him it was elder abuse.
Yeah, it certainly is.
Pick up your left foot, Sharon.
Pick up your left foot, Sharon. Pick up both your feet, Sharon. There you go. Strut that little hot little butt of yours. Give it a little wiggle now and then.
You put up. What is going on out here?
It's called snow, Mom.
It looks slippery on the side, on the driveway.
Yeah.
That looks like ice.
Well, it was probably ice first, and then it started snowing.
Strain.
Strain. It's strain.
Strain.
I wonder how much strain we're going to get tonight.
I don't know, a bunch.
Did you want to do a little bit of dancing for your friends on YouTube?
No.
Why? Are you wore out?
Yeah, my nurse made me do all kinds of exercising, and I'm tired.
You're still supposed to do exercises every hour.
I was doing exercise there,
There you
bouncing
go.
up and down, up and down, up and down.
Good girl. And you got your stretchy bands. You know, you could use those while you're sitting down.
They're not anywhere near me.
What do you mean they're not anywhere near you? Yes, there are. There's stretchy bands in your seat there.
On ventilators, nothing could be further from the truth, but Justice Sotomayor is operating under this impression. And I assume that many of the other far-left justices on the court agree.
You could put those around your feet and then stretch your feet apart.
America First Legal is one of those who
I don't
appealed
want
the
to
Supreme
stretch
Court,
my
and
feet
we'll see what
apart.
happens, but
Go away.
What do you mean, go away?
You heard me.
Not only this justice, but multiple ones were making cases as if they were arguing for the plaintiffs.
Do it the other way. Do it the opposite way, pulling with your left hand.
Like, what do you make of that?
There you go. That's what you want.
Personal beliefs from what they heard in court. They will actually make an argument that you are going to see the left-wing justices vote in lockstep to give this president
Is that a nice way to say goodbye?
decisions. Let's be very clear what
Am I saying goodbye?
You are.
Goodbye, everybody. Bye.
Bye, everybody. Bye. How about thanks for watching?
necessary to protect the unvaccinated.
Go away.
She means me, not you.
I mean you. You don't have to watch me exercising.
It's good for you.
Stupid.
It's not stupid. Exercise is good.
It's stupid looking when an 80-year-old woman can't even open her hand.
Well, you're weak. Your body has to recover. You have to build up your muscles.
I need cookies.
I need cookies. What, for energy? So you can do your exercises? Do you see how she is?
Not as bad as you and David.
Exactly right.
How about a throwback?
Do I need to bring you some more, like, peanuts or something?
Peanuts?
Yeah. You can eat them one at a time with...
That's right. One of my exercises is I'm supposed to take Cheerios or marshmallows and pick them up with my finger and put them in my hand and pick up another one, put it in my hand, and then I'm supposed to empty them into a container
One at a time.
one at a time. So I figured that would work. So bring me Cheerios.
It's like adding an extra layer.
Cheerios. Plain old Cheerios? That's all I got.
Yeah.
All right.
So everyone thrives. Here's to the businesses.
Pick it up, put it in my hand.
Brighter.
Pick it up, put it in my hand.
And it's
Oops.
been such a huge loss.
Oops.
My son Seamus passed away at 16 years
Oops.
old. Maybe do for Seamus.
I think you're supposed to try
I'm
different
failing.
things.
I'm failing my exam.
Give you the help
I think you're supposed to try different fingers too, are you?
No, I pick her up her fingers.
Pick up her fingers, okay.
And then I'm supposed to take them one by one and put them into a container.
Okay, let's get them into that container.
There, I'm doing
One by one.
I'm putting them back.
Oh, you're
into the
putting them
bowl.
back into the bowl?
That's a container, isn't
It
it?
is a container.
And I've got my fingerprints all over them. Try this again. Pick it up. Pick it up. Hold it in my hand. Pick it up. I'm also supposed to wash the dishes and wash the windows. Not. I'm doing it well. Into the container, one at a time.
The container one at a time. Well done.
With the same fingers.
With the same fingers? Can you do it with your other fingers?
I don't use the other fingers ever.
Ever? Okay.
Not for picking up stuff.
Alright.
These are my picky up fingers.
Those are your picky uppy fingers. Okay, well, those are the ones you need to practice with then, right?
Mm-hmm. And my tongue.
And your tongue? Does it need practice too? Yeah.
What are we supposed to believe? So think of it in terms of a common
Okay.
season.
Now try again, saying goodbye. And thank you for watching.
Bye. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed yourself as much as I did.
HPV vaccine or the anthrax vaccine, it's going to infect people regardless of their vaccine.